Justin, who are you playing?
Uncle Ralph.
And what are you doing?
Whooping his butt.
Is that fun?
They picked Uncle Raoul, Mommy.
They picked what he wanted?
Yeah.
I'd watch out. He's pretty good at this course. You think you can beat him?
He's pretty good at this course, Mom.
He's bumping you. Bump him back.
I am.
You better get him with something. Oh, go get him. Go get him.
I need a bullet.
No, you need to shoot him with something, don't you?
He put it the wrong way. Ow.
You better get something and protect yourself, huh?
That's something I can protect. Oh no, he knows.
He knows?
He got something.
Oh, you should have held on to that. Let's see if he gets you.
Ha ha, Uncle Ralph. Ha ha.
Did you block him?
Yeah. Look.
Uh-oh.
Come on, come on, come on.
Go, go, go. Told you he was good at this course. Get him, Justin.
I beat him on this course.
Yeah, you did. What did it say? You got first place, huh?
I beat him.